Hey everybody! Today we're going to review this AMBOTHER LED underlight kit that I bought off of Amazon. I got this specifically because I like their brand, because it was consistent from what I purchased so far, as well as I needed something to be more colorful for my Sprinter. I had some other LED kits, but that one didn't do quite well, so I sold it. And so I got this one. Let's test it out. But first, let's open it up and see what this is all about. The kit comes out to be a mess, but that's okay. I'll just point things out for you and then I'll organize it. So it comes with an instruction manual that's printed on paper and cut. Not really professional, but that's okay. It comes with the remote that you can control the LEDs. Red or orange, green, yellow, blue, cyan, white, purple, jump, 3, 7, fade, 3, 7, and some color LEDs. And brightness on and off. So it comes with some zip ties and some heat shrink, which is nice. You want that, definitely. And are your LED panels or LED under LED kits, and it's 4 of them. So I had to spread them out, and this is how it looks like. It's 2 main connections, and within each connection at the top here, it goes to one whole line of LED, and this is connected to the other LED. So it's basically serial on one end. So you kind of have to have basically the front and the back on one side, like the passenger side, for example. It does come with some extra LED like wire right here at the top right, and it allows you to kind of extend your connections, because it's pretty short. If you can see over here, it's like right here. It's a short connection, but that's okay. Let's wire this up and see how it goes. Okay, I wired everything up and it's just blinking because it's not connected to the app. So you probably have to connect it to the app. Let's see if the buttons work. There's the remote. Brightness off. Oh, the control works. Okay, so the control works without you having to connect anything. That's okay. Let's turn it on. And it's blinking. Let's turn white, purple, blue, cyan, green, yellow, red, and orange. And there's jump 3, so it changes to 3 different colors. Whoa! Or the jumping time frame. And a fade. That's nice. And there's some things you could do. Blink, blink forward, brightness up, brightness down. I guess you can't turn that up. Let's see if that works. It doesn't seem like brightness does anything, but that's okay. Maybe it's just on the app that you can do that. But fade works. It controls the amount of time between going glowing and whatnot. Still don't know how to use all the controls, but it's okay. Off, and it's really responsive, so I really don't need to show the app. On, white, fade 3. I won't use that, but that's probably like changing to 3 colors. And the music, so it probably connects to music. That's neat. So it connects to music, and so the amp controller, the LED controller, probably controls the LEDs, and based on the sound, that works. That's awesome. I've been messing with the sound controller function, and it's kind of fun. So it changes 7 colors or whatnot, depending on what button you press. And it does certain things. And it's the sensitivity. That's pretty neat. So one more detail, the LED on the back end has some sticky side to it, so you can pull this off and stick to it. This is supposed to be weather resistant, so this end does not leak. And it's pretty bendable, so expect that. So there's a bunch of LEDs here. Let me count it and give you an idea how many there are. There's around 54 LEDs on each strip, and the connection between the middle or this one, the one that's connected to the controller, to this one, there's only one piece, so you can't do very much with it. However, the connection has, I don't know what kind of connection it is, but you can take this out if you want. It's a removable. I don't know how that works, but you can probably kind of wiggle it out. The controller itself is really small. It's a lot smaller than the palm of my hand. Really small. You can't tell if it's on or off, which is kind of okay, I guess. And you could power it with 12 volts, so you have an AC/DC connector probably. So it's not too bad. Yeah, 2 amp max. So 6 amps. So 2 connections, 6 amps. 3 times 2. Doesn't take that much power, which is nice. So the quality of this box is not that durable, but you're not going to move this around a lot. So expect that. Don't expect the world from this, because this is going to be mounted in your car somewhere, probably next to a fuse box. So there's not going to be a great way to make this look nice, so I'll just keep it simple. This kit is pretty cool. I like it. It comes with extra wire, so you don't have to worry about having to buy more wire. Definitely a good add-on, I guess you can say. The user manual is pretty simple to read. It tells you everything to do. To download the app, you have to go to a QR code to scan it in, and it'll download the app on iPhone or Android, depending on what it is. Overall, the build quality of this is okay, but that doesn't matter because this doesn't move very much. The stickiness is going to go onto the car. Hopefully you put alcohol before you stick it on to make sure it gets a clean sticky side and clean contact to your car. Because that, if you're not, then it comes off, and you don't want that. That's a waste of money because you're going to be driving and go, there you go. The build quality of the LED, pretty good, durable, and doesn't seem like it's going to break down on you. Waterproof, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's pretty bright. I don't think you want anything brighter than that because it's going to be in your car. Bright enough is good enough in that sense. Definitely a good value. It works as expected. And yeah, definitely recommend it. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. One thing I forgot to do is measure. And the long side of the LED is about 40 inches almost. Just under 3 feet. And the shorter one is 2 feet. So just a reminder, the longer one has 54 LEDs and the shorter one has less than that. So probably around 25 to 40